Today is another guitar unboxing day. Are you excited?
Welcome to Captain Napkin. How can I take your order?
Yes, I'll have some cheese fries, please, and a chocolate shake with sprinkles. I'm the guitar hustler. Hello and welcome to another edition of us unboxing a guitar. This one is a Fender HM Strat Stratocaster limited edition. Beautiful instrument, but I got this on another half discount because there was some, this is one that received a little bit of shipping damage, and it's noticeable. It's on the side. I saw the pictures, but other than that, it's in really good shape. But anyway, I want to do a unboxing. I already took it out of the big box, so they had it so well packed that it took me a little while just to get it out of the box. It was packed so tight with bubble wrap, but sometimes they do that. Okay, it comes with a nice gig bag. Very nice Fender gig bag, padded, very well padded, pretty hard on the sides. Nice, nice. But it's not a hard case, but I think these all come with this particular case. Little F emblem on the zippers. This will probably be $100 gig bag anyway. Nice. The indentions are right there. That's the shipping damage. But other than that, I got a little bump right there too. Not bad, not bad. That's just a mark. That might polish out. No, that's a mark too. But anyway, reason why I ordered one of these, or well, my salesman called me. I said, hey, next time you get a damaged HM Strat, as long as it's playable, I'm the guy. So I got it half off of the, whatever it is, $1,150. But, so, made in Japan on the back of the neck plate. Nice. Pickup splitter. Nice. Now this is one of those strange I think it's 25.1 scale. It is kind of almost not in between, but pretty close to in between the 24 3/4 and 25.5 inch scale. But dang, she's beautiful. I love the pink. But I didn't tell him it would have to be a pink one, but it's cool nonetheless. Very 80s, very shreddery. Neck is a 17-inch radius all the way up, which I like that. I'm not a compound radius fan. I know a lot of people are, but oh, no, it's not in tune, but other than the dings on the sides there, it looks really nice. Those are nice. But I'll go over the specifications here in a minute. It's pretty light. It's not heavy at all. A basswood body, I believe. But very cool. You can see the dings there. This is through shipping damage, and when sometimes they get them back, and instead of, if you file on the shipping company, then they get their money back by charging you a little extra shipping. A lot of people don't know that, but they actually do that. I've been shipping guitars forever, and if you ever file a claim on damage, so it's just better off for them to cut their losses. I believe this is below dealer cost, because generally the markup's 30-35% at the most. So they took a little bit of a hit on this and shipped it to me for free. So that was nice of them. But this is made in Japan Fender. Beautiful job other than the dings, but I don't mind the dings. I mean, shoot. This might be a playable one. I might keep it. Anyway, it better have the Floyd arm. Because, oh, yep, there it is. Okay. All right. Now let's go over some specs of this dude. As far as the specs go, besides the other ones I mentioned, of course, they have the Floyd Rose Special tremolo on it, double locking, as you can see. These are Fender pickups, but that's supposed to be high output, and these are mid-rangey. But anyway, I will do an ohm test on those. It has the F knobs on it. And of course, I mentioned the splitter, the five-way switch. I'm sure those are good quality. I'll take a peek here in just a second. Maple fretboard on top of a maple neck. Of course, you can see the work on the headstock. It's really nice. Little bit of a relief there for your hands if you play up high. They got a little bit smoothed out. I like my heels a lot further down than that, but still, this is kind of taken after the 80s version, and that is the same shape of the HM Strat from years ago. It has Goto tuners on it. Other than that, I'll open it up. We'll take a look and see what kind of pots we have in there. Looks like we got some alpha pots here. A little disappointed on the switch. I thought it felt a little cheap. Dadgum. Oh man, a little disappointed on the switch. I would, if I'm gonna keep that switch would have to go. I'd have to upgrade that to a CRL. But anyway, barrel jack on it. Looks like a good quality jack, but looks like they cheaped out a little bit on the electronics. Yeah, I mean, it's a good job. It is shielded on the inside, but other than that, I think it'll be fine. I mean, those switches, they're not that great. But, I mean, they do work, but they're not going to last 50 years. Anyway. Okay, full-on humbucker unsplit. Looks like 13.2829, somewhere around there. Let's split it. We got 6.79 unsplit. Let's do the neck pickup. It'd be 7.32. In the middle pickup, 7.33. Then the split between the neck and middle. Then the split between the middle and bridge. So there's your readings. Okay, let's get the weight on this dude. Let's see, let's get a good balancing point. Looks like 6 pounds, 13 ounces. Wow, that's under 7 pounds. That's pretty impressive. pickup. Middle, bridge. Bridge, split. Middle. Neck. Bridge. Wow. Splitting it really quiets it down. Well, in closing, I would say it's a great guitar. It really is. The only gripes I got about it is the middle pickup. I'm going to bring that one down regardless. That's right in my picking area. I usually played with either two humbuckers or a HS configuration to where I pick, it's not in my way and my pick's not hitting it. My pick's not only hitting it, if the pickups are too high, sometimes when I'm resting and picking, I'm pushing down. You can hear me hitting the pickups. When the strings hit the pickups, it makes a popping sound. Even with the cheap switch, I mean, it works okay. The Floyd, of course, isn't the most expensive Floyd. You know, it is the cheaper one, but it seems pretty solid, and everything came back into tune just fine. I had to tune it up and stretch the strings and stuff like that, but I mean, the thing had been damaged, but tuning stability's there. Feel and playability, the 25-inch scale, 25.1, which is similar to a PRS. I'm not a PRS fan, but anyway, the fretboard feels pretty flat all the way down. I'd say it'd be a good lead playing guitar for somebody that can really shred. The action was set very nice. The neck is straight. The finish on the ends of the frets is very nice. Workmanship is pretty top notch. It's just the little cheaper components here, the little cheaper Floyd. Like if this was my player, I'd probably put an original Floyd in it. I'd definitely upgrade the electronics as far as all the pots and that switch. I'd go ahead and upgrade those. They got the little cheaper low-end stuff on that. But with workmanship and everything, $1,150. I haven't watched any other videos, so I really don't know the other opinions on it. To me, it seems a little, it's made in Japan though, so that kind of justifies a lot of the price. But I would say overall, if you buy one used for under $1,000 or $900, I would try to find one. That's my own personal opinion. One brand new, anyway, or in brand new condition. But find a used one in brand new condition. I got a really bargain on this, so you know there aren't these kind of bargains out there. I'm probably going to go ahead and sell this. So if you want to go to my eBay stores, it's stores.ebay.com/musicians-guitar-outlet. It'll take you straight to the site. If you want to check this one out, I'll have it up there within a couple days from, I don't even know what day it is. I don't know. But anyways, end of January. Anyway, I'll get this thing on locally. If you know me, this will be posted locally also. But I like to double post in that way. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment, pass it along, share it. Please share it. I'm just repeating what other people say when they end their videos. Some people say that right in the beginning, but I don't. Anyway, next video is, looking forward to it. It's going to be a custom build. I'm going to build a guitar out of a bunch of scrap lumber that I have laying in there. I'm going to pull it out, take it to my garage, and throw it together. Probably use a prefab neck. Don't know which one. I got a bunch of them in that rack right there. I'm just going to pick a neck. Not going to custom build a neck yet, even though I will eventually. I'll do a video on that. But I'm going to do pretty much a complete build. It'll be lots of fun. Stay tuned. I'm having fun doing this apparently because I'm still doing it. Not doing it to make any money. I think that's out of the question anymore nowadays. On YouTube, takes forever, but having fun doing it. As long as I'm having fun, I'll keep doing it. But keep rocking. Have a good one.